This video is regarding the different type of the software. So basically, if you see, there are two kind of softwares. One are known as system software, another are known as application software. So before you decide to become a software development engineer and become a coder inside a company, you should know what are these different kind of software applications and what kind of software development you want to become. So the system software, let us start with the first category known as system software. So system software are those softwares which help the system to run. For example, your operating system is a system software. It helps your system to run in a smooth way. Similarly, there are some other softwares. For example, the driver for your printer, your monitor, or the network device. So those softwares are system software. So if you want to become such a developer who write the code to interact with the hardware devices, so such kind of programmers are known as system software developers. But as we know, there are very few opportunity in case of system software development. So most of the people do programming in application software. What are these application softwares? So there is an operating system which is interacting with the hardware. Now over this operating system, you can run a application software. So such things are desktop application, for example your MS Word presentation, Notepad, Clock. These are such kind of softwares which are known as application software as a desktop applications. The second thing is mobile applications. If you want to write a mobile application which can be used by the million of the users, that time you need to become a mobile application developers. And there are different ways you can create application like WhatsApp, application like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. It is such kind of application are mobile application. They also have a web application. So second category of the application software is web application, where you have a website which do something for the user. So there are static websites and there are application websites. For example, if you go to the Facebook, you can do different things, right? You can go to the YouTube, you can do different things. And you go on LinkedIn, you can do different things. So these are different web applications. So the mobile application, desktop application, and the web application. So these are the three categories of application software. There are tremendous need of various application in case of application software. As you have now understood what are system softwares, what are application softwares, now you are ready to see how we came to this level. And let us dig down inside the next video where we talk about how the field of programming emerged itself. And now we are with two kind of softwares. One are known as system softwares, another are known as application softwares. I am really thankful to those people who have watched the video till the end. And I want to share and pass these messages to each and every person who have that intention to become a software development engineer. I am doing my best to make this information available to as much more people as I can. But I need some help from you. If you like this video and you think inside your circle there is some person who can also utilize this information, please help me to reach to that person and please share this video. Thank you.